How to delete Twitter account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can permanently delete your Twitter or the X account. So if you want to disable or delete your account and no longer use Twitter, I'll guide you through the complete process. So first, open your Twitter application or the X application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the home page, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. From this page, you need to go ahead and tap on your account. Now tap on Deactivate Account. Now from this page, tap on Deactivate, that is highlighted in red color. Remember that you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So within 30 days, if you come back, log into your account, you will be able to restore your account and all the information. But if not, after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and removed from the Twitter server. So if you want to confirm, tap on Deactivate, and then you need to enter your password of your Twitter or the X account, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and delete the Twitter account permanently. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.